Welcome back to another video, guys. So I was asked to analyze Jump 10 index by one of my subscribers. So here in today's video, we'll be having a market analysis on Jump 10 index. We'll be having a market breakdown on this index, and we'll be analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame price action, basically. Right. So starting from the weekly time frame, because you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, I start from a high time frame, and this high time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, or the monthly time frame. So on this weekly time frame, the first thing I do is to spot the market direction, the previous market direction, and the current market direction. And we can see that we got this index B in a downtrend previously, which I identified. Right, then let's spot our current market direction. You can see this market structure here, these two higher lows, these two current higher lows at this point, which shows that this index is in an uptrend, and these higher highs, I think, here. So the current trend is market being an uptrend, while the previous trend is market being a downtrend. The market was in a downtrend previously. So after spotting the market trends, the market direction on a higher time frame, the next thing we have to do is to spot our levels and zones on that same time frame, our important levels, our key levels and zones. Right, so you have one of those levels here. I think we have a level here, an important level at this point, because when you zoom in the chart, you can see market reactions on this level. Let's identify it. Market reacted here as a support. You can see market got to the level, bought from it as a support. Would say resistance at this point. There was a break below it, retest here, then the sells. Resistance, would say at that point. Resistance here as well. Resistance at this zone. So we've got one support reaction here, resistance again here, would say resistance at this point. You can see the retest here, these sells, this bearish engulfing candle. So markets reacted on this level as resistance at this point. There was a break above it, retest here, support, would say here, support at this zone. So I can probably call this level a key level, right? Because we've got price buy and sell on this level as a support. We've got a couple of trading decisions on this level as price buying on this level as a support and as a resistance. So the last reaction was a resistance. You can see the break below it, retest the sells. When we zoom in the chart, you can see it clearly. Price broke below this identified level, we tested it as a resistance, the sells a downside. Now market is trading above this level as a support, would say, because a resistance level has been broken, and whenever a resistance level is broken, it turns to a support. And adding to previous market reactions on this level, there's a possibility of price selling to come retest this zone, this level we spotted on the weekly time frame. So that was one of our major levels we got on this time frame. So our next level is at this point, would say this is a level of support, because when we zoom in the chart, you can see the market reaction on this level, price buying on test of its support here, support at this zone, support at this point, support here too, support there, and the last support, would say last market reaction at that point. So we've got about 4 market reactions, price buying from this level as a support 4 times, then a break of this our zone. So you can see that market is approaching our trend resistance, because on trend line we have our support trend, which is at this point, and our resistance trend level. So our next level, would say, should be this at this point, because we've got market reactions on this zone, right? We've got market reactions on this zone. When we zoom in the chart, you can see it. Price bought from as a support, though this looks like a fake breakout. Support here, there's a break below, retest, resistance at this point. Right now market's approaching this level of resistance. So what do we expect of this index? Are we to get more buy move or price to come react on this level, or we have to get a retest of this broken level of resistance at this point on support for the buy continuation? Let's go to the time frame to have a look on this market structure. So on this daily time frame, let's first clear these arrows we spotted here. Right, let's clear these arrows. think we're good, right? So on the daily time frame, we have to spot this our zone properly. Yeah, we have to spot this zone properly, and you can see that the past days now, price has been looking at this market structure here, looking at this market formation at this point. We can see that price has been consolidating, and whenever we see formation of this kind, there's always a major move that follows up. Like we got here, we got this consolidation, this build up, and we got these major sells that followed up. So are we to get major buys following up, or we have to get major sells following up? I'm basically expecting, I'm looking out for price selling from that level to come retest this zone, to come retest this level, this broken level of resistance, not on support for the buy continuation. And looking at the market structure, we can see that this index is bullish. This index is in an uptrend, so we should focus on the buy side of the market. And to confirm this, our expected buy zone will be bringing up our Fibonacci 2 from the recent highs. Let's assume that these the recent highs and this the recent lows, the recent swing highs and the recent swing lows. And price may not go past this level. Like price may not buy more. Would see you may see the sell. So bringing up our Fibonacci 2 to confirm our buy level, our expected buy zone from the swing lows to the swing highs. We can see that our buy point, which is at this zone, right, is in line with the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level and close to the 50.0 retracement level, which are the two major retracement zones. So if price can actually sell to this level, there's a high possibility and the higher probability of price buying from this level. This would be a long-term swing buys on jump 10 index. All right, so the market structure is actually looking good on the daily time frame. Let's just expect a breakout of this consolidation, then a retest of this zone for the buys. So I'm waiting patiently for price to consolidate, to be done with the consolidation. Then let's expect the major move. So we should be looking out for sells on this level. We should be looking out for sell opportunities on jump 10 index at this zone. And we have this uptrend on the 4-hour time frame, which looks like price is still in an uptrend. Would say I was thinking that price was broken out of this uptrend, but market is still in an uptrend. That's why it's finding it difficult to break below the consolidation, to break out, to give the sell move. But still, trading is a waiting game, so we have to do more of waiting for our setup to build up, right? For our setup to be set. So we have to do more of waiting and wait for the right trading time and the right trading zones. So the 4-hour time frame market is still inside of this box and inside of this uptrend. So we can't do anything now because we're looking for sell opportunities. We still have to be patient enough to wait for price to break this consolidation and give the and show the sell momentum by breaking this uptrend support level. So the 1-hour time frame, everything is looking good as well. We are getting price creates lower highs formation at this point, a high and a lower high possibly, which we should expect price to start selling from and give the break of this trend support. So everything is in place on this index. I would patiently wait for price to decide on this consolidation we spotted on the daily time frame, for price to decide, right, before we can make any move. But if in any way price doesn't sell, if price doesn't give the sell move we expect, from this level, then we'll see a breakout to the upside, price moving to this zone. And we have this level as a historical level of resistance, a historical zone. This green point here, this green line, we have this level as a historical zone. So if price can't sell from this current price level, if price gives the breakout to the upside, then let's watch out for these retests, these zone retests. Right, we can see the market reaction on this level on the daily time frame. This will definitely give market reactions if price is to get to it. So if price can't give the sells, then let's watch a retest of this identified level. Right, there would be a possibility of market reacting to it. So it will now be at this point that I would be looking to shorten jump 10 index. Right, so everything is looking nice. The both ways set up are looking good. Right, it's either we catch the sells or we catch the buys on this index. So that's it, guys. That's my view and market analysis on jump 10 index. So my entry point would definitely be, would probably be somewhere here. It would be at this point, because we have a level here. If you have to get the sales right, we have a level at this point. That would be my entry point. A break below this level, which would also give a break of our trend support level. Break of its trend support level, a break below that level, a retest on it, a break and retest of it, then the sales would catch to the downside. Right, this would be my sell setup on jump 10 index to this point. This would be our target level here, our target level at this point. Let's just wait for price to give the bearish formation, but everything's still looking bullish right now. The bulls are still in charge, so we have to be patient enough to wait for our setup. But if we can't get the breakout to the downside, then let's watch out for price breaking above this level for the short-term buys, because the distance from here to here is still big, kind of big. So we could still see we can still get short-term retests, short-term buys, right, for long-term sells. A breakout from this point, a retest of that zone, a retest of this level for the buys on jump 10 index, for the buys from this point. Right, then we'll be looking at to shorten this index if you have to get the buys from this point. But in both ways, we have to still wait for the right trading time. Right, let's just get our setup marked out, then wait patiently for price to give the expected move. So that's it, guys. That's my view and market analysis and market breakdown on jump 10 index. We are able to analyze from the weekly time frame down to the 50-minute time frame, right? 30-minute time frame would say, right, for our entry point. So hit the like button and drop a good comment for more market analysis like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. Chilling means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have enough day.